If you love crispy masala dosas but dread the long process of soaking, grinding, and fermenting, this recipe is just for you. No shortcuts like baking soda or Eno either, just clean, wholesome ingredients you already have at home. And the best part, it's protein rich and gets ready in under 20 minutes. This recipe is truly one of a kind, so simple yet so good you won't believe it's not the traditional dosa. Super crispy, super tasty, and most people won't even guess the difference. Firstly, in a mixer jar, take 1 cup of roasted gram dal, also known as chutney dal or hurigadle in Kannada. I think it's also called fried gram. We usually use this while making chutneys, but in this recipe, it's the game changer. It not only makes the dosa beautifully crisp, but also adds a healthy dose of plant-based protein. It's rich in fiber, low in fat, and keeps you feeling full for longer. You can easily find this at any local kirana store or supermarkets, or even grab it online. Next goes in 2 cups of suji or rava or semolina. Add salt as per taste. Now close the lid and grind everything into a fine powder. It should resemble the texture of atta. Once it's powdered, transfer the mixture to a bowl or a vessel where you will be making the batter. Now add 1 cup of curd to it. Start adding water little by little, whisking it well to form a smooth batter. Make sure you don't pour all the water at once. Add gradually and keep mixing it to avoid any lumps. Once the batter is nice and smooth, cover it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This helps the rava absorb moisture and swell up, giving your dosa the perfect texture. While the batter is resting, you can take the time to prepare your chutney, or if you like, you go ahead and make the potato stuffing for the dosa. After 10 minutes, give the batter a good mix and check the consistency. It should be like the regular dosa batter, but if it feels too thick, simply add a splash of water. Now heat your dosa tawa, and once it's hot, pour a ladle of batter and spread it thinly and evenly. You can use a regular non-stick pan or even a cast iron tawa for the traditional touch. If you prefer it thick like an uttapam, that works too. Feel free to add onions, grated carrots, or any veggies you love. Make it your way. Drizzle some oil or ghee on top, or skip it entirely if you're going for an oil-free version. To get a nice crispy texture, cook the dosa on low flame. If you prefer it soft, cook it on high flame. Either way, it turns out great. No need to flip, just cook it on one side till it turns golden brown and super crispy. You'll be amazed at the texture. If you're in the mood for a full-blown masala dosa experience, go ahead and add the potato stuffing or simply enjoy it with chutney or sambar. Repeat the same process with the remaining batter and that's it. Your super crispy, protein-rich instant masala dosa is ready without any soaking, fermenting or any baking soda or Eno. If you enjoyed this recipe, there is so much more waiting for you straight from my kitchen to yours. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep cooking together. When you like the video, you'll see a hype button appear. It's completely free. So tap on it if you love this recipe and want it to reach more people. Your support truly means the world to me. Until next time, take care, stay happy, and keep spreading love through good food. Thank you for watching.